Hey guys, thank you for tuning in once again to one of our Prime Tech support videos. Here we have one of our techs replacing a motherboard from a PC laptop. Here we have our tech placing the thermal paste on the CPUs and the heatsink. Now we have our tech placing the fans so the computer could cool off. And now we have him placing the battery on the computer because the motherboard replacement is done. Now all he needs to do is make sure that it's working, the power's on correctly, and there you go. Perfect. Now he's gonna clean it off a little bit, make sure that all the screws are in tight, and that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to follow us on all our social media platforms, and have a happy new year from everyone here at Prime Tech Support. Thank you.